Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on or off the pinch to zoom on your touchpad settings in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. First right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side select Bluetooth and devices. On right side you will be see the option touchpad. You just need to select the touchpad device option, and after that you just need to scroll down in there guys. In my case I am in the computer, that's why I'm not getting the touchpad over here. You just need to select the touchpad device and you just need to scroll down. There will be a section named as scroll and zoom. Under you can check mark pinch to zoom to enable it guys, or uncheck the box to disable it. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.